Hey my friends, happy Tuesday. Let me turn on to proof your income and make money from home in the next 30 to 60 days. And I know that this is like on everybody's mind. Here it says you'll be fine, partner. Okay, I was having technical difficulties, but I wanted to show you what happened today. So today is Tuesday, March 17th, and today had this commission come in today while home, while not able to work. Which, for a lot of people, that would be life-changing for them. And then yesterday was 125. Okay, so in 2 days, 625. Okay, and that's what I've been able to do. I've been able to do over and over and over again, leveraging one work from home system that I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to go back over to this presentation. You can see this is me. This is me, correction to turnip seed. That's me. So what I'm going to do, one second, is go back over here and I'm going to explain a little bit more about the system so you really understand how this works and how you can make this work for yourself as you're at home so that you do build a viable income for yourself alongside, what you're already doing. All right, so let's jump right back into it. My computer's been a little slow, but I want to make sure y'all get the deets. Okay. So just to give, some more detail about why it's important to corona-proof yourself, right, in your income during this craziness while everybody's panicking. The thing that you want to do is you want to understand that your goal is to have a system in place to generate income and to have a skill set that pays. The great thing about this is a system that allows you to earn instant commissions, but within the system, it teaches you the skill sets that pay. Those skill sets are understanding how to leverage social media and how to market online. Once you understand how to do that, how to leverage platforms like YouTube, like Facebook, like Instagram, which are the 3 primary platforms that teaches you how to do, you can then make income with anything. You can even create your own products and you can put them out there on these platforms and you can always create income. Please understand that. So let's say the average person makes about $3K a month on their job. So let's say at your job, you have one income source. You make $3K a month on your job. You have a system like this, which is an instant payout system. That means that it pays out every time you make a commission, you get it instantly like I did today, right? So let's say with this system, you're generating $100 a day. That's $700 extra a week in your pocket, an extra $2,800 a month. That's an extra $28,000 a year that you gave yourself a raise. And these are very realistic numbers, okay, by just having a system and skill sets that pay, okay? So, computer's a little slow today. So, skill sets, how do you make this system work, okay? So, essentially, this is how it works. Your job every single day is to market your business, okay? What you simply do is post ads on social media. The system gives you, if you're a beginner, you have no idea how to put that together. Guess what? In the system, it teaches you how, it gives you actual ad copy, right? Pre-done ads, and you post those on social media. Your job is to respond to anyone who inquires or asks for information, and you just follow up with them. And I also give a great script to people who come in platinum or higher, which has a very high close rate, okay? And then your job is just to lead people to your system, okay? So for example, I'm making a video. This is one form of social media, YouTube, right? I'm making a video. I'm leading people to my system, all right? If I'm on Facebook, I'm posting my little mini ads. And when people reach out and ask for information, guess what I'm doing? Responding to their inquiry and leading them to my system. My system is doing all the presenting for me, all the explaining for me, all of those things. It's doing the follow-up. My system has automated follow-up built into the system, and that's what I'm doing, right? So this is how simple you can keep it when you first have a system and you're leveraging the skill sets that the system teaches you inside the system to be able to create an income vehicle for yourself, okay? Let's move on. Oh, let's go back one more. So the one thing to know, and I'm going to take you over and show this, is you will be given all the ads you need to utilize free social media and free advertising. So again, like using a free platform like YouTube, a free platform like Facebook or Instagram, that's free social media and free advertising to be able to create multiple daily instant payouts for yourself. So I'm going to escape out of here and just show you the system real quick and show you what I'm talking about the pre-done ads. Okay, so we are in our system, and this is, you get access to the system. Your small admin fee for the system, which I'm going to talk about in a second, it covers you getting access to the system just like this. So when you come into the system, there's first a video that everybody should watch. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Cheat Code. I'm actually going to watch it again today. It's really great. And then once you come in here, you know, the Facebook groups cheat sheet shows you how to market in Facebook. And then you also have access to pre-written ads, okay? These are ads that you can literally copy and paste into social media. And what I do is, you know, on Facebook, you see those like colored background posts where you can make like colored background, you can have emojis. Literally, you can turn these pre-written ads into that, and it grabs lots of attention, not only on your Facebook profile, but also in Facebook groups. And it gets people to say, hey, I would like information about that. And your job is just to lead them to your system, okay? So let's look at some of these pre-written ads real quick, and then we're going to finish the rest of this presentation. You're going to understand how this works. So, okay. So, the system will give you pre-written ads that you can use. Like for example, this one, you know, post ads that converts. I'll show you one I gave to one of my business partners, and he got a lead yesterday, from this. Where is it? It worked really well. It converted very well. Like this one, boom, you know, you could edit these too. Like boom, another 125 in my PayPal. Who's next, or who wants info? You know, something like that. Like something that simple can generate you leads, and then, you know, that can lead to sales. All right. So this literally just really just having someone who's done really the work for you. Okay. Now that I've explained how that little part works, let's get back into our presentation and keep this moving. Okay. It's still loading. Hold on one second, guys. This is real time, y'all. So anyways, that's how the ads work. This program, I just want to say this, has paid out over $1 million in commissions to people like myself, everyday people. And I'll show you at the end all the testimonials from people who are just winning with this system, because it's really just about having a system that works. Now, here's how you can position yourself with this system. You know, the great thing about $25 and up, you want to create an income vehicle for yourself. It allows you to come in at several packages, and whatever package you position yourself at, you're able to earn at that package level and any package level underneath it. Okay, so for example, you came in at gold, which you could start there, but in this economy, I don't want no commissions less than 125. Okay, that's how I've always rolled. If you watch all my videos, I tell people, I'm like, position yourself smart. Don't think with your pockets, think where you're headed, right? So you can position yourself at gold. It's $25 one time. You get $10. There's a $10 admin fee, so your total is $35. The admin fee again gives you access to your system, so that you literally only have to point people to your system, and it also includes your training package. Okay, platinum is $125 one time. You have to buy the gold and the platinum together, so it's $25 plus 125, or $25 plus 100 is $125 total, plus a $10 admin fee, so it's a total of $135. And that allows you to have access to this money-making system. Diamond is $250 one time, right? There's no monthly fees with this. I was able to leverage this program off a one-time investment and be able to leverage that into $23,000. This is why this is a smart business model. And I'm going to show you in a second why it makes even more sense. So Diamond is $250. Diamond is one of our most popular levels. Also Enterprise is another popular level. So $250 one time and a $25 admin fee. Enterprise is $500 one time plus a $50 admin fee. Elite is $1,000 one time and a $100 admin fee. These are packages where you can earn great commissions, okay, using this system. All right. So I'm not going to go over everything, but when you looked at the back office that I showed you a couple minutes ago, I showed you the training that you get These are the marketing skill sets that pay. Understanding, how to put together mini ads, understanding how to leverage Facebook, understanding YouTube, understanding how to do Instagram. These are skill sets that pay. So it's not just enough to have a system. And what I like about this system is that it doesn't just give you the opportunity to make money. It's teaching you the skill sets to make money. Because once you have the skill set, you could go market your own coaching services. You could market another opportunity. Once you understand that. And I hope those who are watching that really understand that's what it's about, right? That's a long-term skill set that you always have. Okay. So, this system, as you can see by the multiple payments, it puts you in position to earn over and over and over again, and you can get paid directly to your PayPal, whatever payment process you want. I use Square. You can get paid via Zelle, Bitcoin, you name it. The program gives you unlimited options to be able to get paid. Okay, as long as you can receive payment, you can get paid. Okay. All right. So another thing to know about this program is that there's leverage built into the system. What that means is that every person who comes into your system and purchases a package, let's say that someone came in at the platinum level, right? After they join you, they're going to get their first commission. The second one is going to pass up to you. You made an extra $125 for doing nothing extra. Okay. So that's it. Again, your referral will keep its first sale, and the second one is passed up to you. So you're growing your income, right, from the very first referral. Like that. I mean, that's what this system is freaking amazing. So let's look at a quick example of this. I'm gonna move myself way down here. Let me see if I can move myself anymore. Oh no, I don't know where I went. Okay, I'm somewhere, but let's over here. Let's say that you came in at the platinum level, and you got the platinum package. Okay, so now you're in position to earn $125 commissions over and over and over again when someone purchases the platinum package. Okay, so let's say for the month you made 5. You just kept it simple. You said I'm going to focus on getting 1 platinum a week, right? That's more than doable. Okay, so that will make about 5 for the month. You made $625. Now, when your referrals, those 5 people that you that came in at platinum and got the platinum package, you plug them into the blueprint. They go out, they make their first commission. Their second commission automatically passes up to you. You made an extra $625. You didn't do nothing extra. Now, this is where the system gets even better, and one of my favorite ways to earn. Many people come into the system and they say, you know what? I don't want to earn down here. I want to earn 250 commissions. So they upgrade. So let's say just 2 of these people upgrade. Okay? 2 of these people upgrade. You made an extra $250 two times. So that's extra $500. You made almost $1,700. Okay, guys? Almost $1,700 off of initial investment. This is why this is direct instant commission programs are one of the smartest leveraged business models. Okay, you made one investment in your business one time. You're able to earn $360 over and over and over and over again. The return on investment is ridiculous when you apply the model. Okay. Oh, there I am. I'm appearing now. I'm like, where did I go? All right. So let's talk about helping you get started. So here, this is one of my former mentees. She said, wow, Shen, I am blessed to have you as a sponsor. I never regret asking you for this opportunity. Thank you big time. Why are people thanking me for my blueprint? Because I share with people exactly how I leverage social media, what I did, what I posted, what to post, how to respond to people, so that they can literally take this income stream. They can take this system and they can do the same thing for themselves. If you are ready to actually learn the skill sets that pay, right? You're like, you know what? This is showing me that I need to learn skill sets that pay. And you're ready to do that. Beneath this video, go get started. And once you get started, just like today, my member who got started today, once I see her stuff processed, I reach right back out to her and say, here's your blueprint. All right. This is one of the best paying direct commissions programs. And I love it. I have nothing crazy to say. I want to just show you the testimonials of all the people who, again, $1 million. And I mean, this program pays out. Okay. $1 million in payouts to members. So let me show you some of the testimonials of our members. Okay, so this is our testimonial page, and we have tons of people just sharing their testimonies about getting paid, right? Like here, $125 payment, here, $1,025, $175 in a weekend. I mean, we could keep going on and on. $500, a mom with her kids in the back. You know, we got some $25 payments, $100 payments. And it just keeps going and going. And that's really why I get excited about this system, is because the people who, and there's me, $600 payment, right? This is real. This is the exact system that allowed me, when I was ready to leave my job in, like a year ago, I was able to do that. Now I am, you know, full disclosure, I'm back at work, but because I want to, right? And this system allowed me to do that, because at the time I was making so much money from this system as a newbie. I was like, I ain't showing up to work to be disrespected. Like, you could keep this. I could make this at home. So that's what it's about. And now I know how to do this, and I learned how to do this across multiple programs. Okay, so that's really what it's about. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. Turn on that notifications bell. Check out beneath this video for more information, and I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Bye, guys.